on my face, cause I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn, this that Ken-Tenn. That's just how we do it in the Ken-Tenn. I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn.
And we got a celebrity in the building right now. We got Big Jock, the one and only from the Flip, Ken-Tenn. Gonna be performing live tonight. They know what's going on, don't they? We're gonna break the stage tonight. That's what's up.
When you bring Big Jock to the stage, either get broke or, something might happen. Speaker, anything. So I hope they got insurance on it.
Man, I hear you, Big Jock. How y'all doing? Good. All right, Big Jock getting that Big Jock bottle, you hear me? Yeah. And that's the Corleones, man. Good, bro. You good, man. You good?
Think you gonna be ready, Andrew?
Man, maybe in a couple years. Something slight. That cloth top is hard right there. Yeah, that cloth top is hard. Clean as always, man. What's up? I'm all right, bro. Where Percy at, man? Oh, okay. He's over there? Okay. All right, bro. Tennessee Toys in the building. You see him? Man, they coming in, man. They getting deep out here, man. Y'all see what time it is? Man, it's getting deep. Turned out to be a good show, man. See another box Chevy done pulled up on them Ruchis. Ruchi, get your Gucci, man. Y'all see what time it is. This ain't no game. Ruchi. Man, we even got the slingshot on Ruchis, man. Got the bins pulling in, man. Man, y'all see who it is, man. Special guest, 787, boy. We ain't got Penny or Cayenne, but we got the side-by-side. Big Meg, man. But yeah, 78 in here, man. 78 here. Man, RC on the back, look at him. He's showing out. Big Pete. Y'all see this Grand Marquis on them 30s, man. Grand Marquis on them 30s. special guest judge, Ken-Tenn Customs, man. We out here. Y'all see what's going on. Man, it's packed. Y'all didn't pull up to this one, y'all missing out. It's real talk. You ain't pull up to this one, you missing out. I'm telling you, man. See DeAndre, man. Box Chevy movement, man. Y'all see you got another box Chevy pulling in, man. Y'all see what time it is. LS hard, man. Man, Black Beauty got a twin, don't she, man? Hey, it's a bit hard, man. Salute. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and go to www.Ken-Tenn-Customs.com and pick you up all this fire ass merch. Pressure! All 2021. You heard me?